Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol GNPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And a very, very impressive movement because, quite frankly, after Tuesday, things were looking pretty shaky. And, no such thing as a guarantee. And this is exactly why there's no such thing as a guarantee, because things were looking, like I said, pretty rough yesterday with the big pullback, but today that has all been wiped away as there is a great gap up, and now a whole lot of updates need to be made in the bullish direction. So first I'm going to do is just do some house cleaning and get rid of these lines. Sure, these levels pertain, they're just not relevant anymore, and from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion because there's lines everywhere. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. First update, though, that needs to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. And I mean, you could throw this right into a textbook because this is absolutely beautiful in terms of what you want to see. It was broken, and then after that, you would want to see it act as support. And a whole bunch of times, that level right there at $1.65 did indeed hold as support. So truly a beautiful real-life example of that rule playing out in the real world. But that's also just the ideal level. I mean, if the price falls below that level, that doesn't mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. I mean, yeah, preferably speaking, ideally speaking, if the price could stay above that, it would be great. But from the overarching standpoint, it's all about that purple line there, the 50 period moving average, keyword being moving. So as the week continues to play out, that line will move itself higher and higher. So as long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control. The bulls are in full health. However you must visualize that, that is essentially what that line is representing. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, pretty straightforward right now. The price got up to right around that area at, was it the round number of $2? Let's see. Yep, $2. $1.99, and then that high was at $2. So yeah, $2 round number, definitely public enemy number one going forward. So keep an eye on that from the resistance side of things. But extremely impressive recovery from yesterday. So yeah, let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon the momentum. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.